Welcome to Garden of Words, a channel dedicated to daily knowledge sharing and personal development. If you want to become the successful woman that thousands admire, embrace these 60 essential lessons. No matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter where you've come from, you can always change, become a better version of yourself. Investing in your own growth and self-development isn't selfish. It's self-care. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limit. Don't be afraid to stand out. The world needs more women who are not afraid to be themselves. We are all visitors to this time, this place. We are just passing through. Our purpose here is to observe, to learn, to grow, to love, and then to return home. Think like a queen. A queen is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. You have brains in your head and feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself in any way you choose. Champions keep playing until they get it right. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. A really strong woman accepts the war she went through and is ennobled by her scars. You are not stuck. If you aren't happy with something in your life, only you can change it. You have choices. Your current situation is not forever, so no more excuses. Keep moving forward, get out of the past, and take the first step to changing where you want to be. Beauty is not in the face. Beauty is a light in the heart. Defined by no man, you are your own story, blazing through the world, turning history into her story. And when they dare to tell you about all the things you cannot be, you smile and tell them, I am both war and woman, and you cannot stop me. Never give up on your goals. No matter how hard things get, keep fighting for what you want. By improving yourself, the world is made better. Be not afraid of growing too slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't step forward, you're always in the same spot. Attract what you expect, reflect what you desire, become what you respect, mirror what you admire. The key to happiness is really progress and growth and constantly working on yourself and developing something. Keep walking through the storm. Your rainbow is waiting on the other side. Don't hold back because you think it's unladylike. We shouldn't be shamed out of our anger. We should be using it. Using it to make change in our own lives and using it to make change in the lives around us. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness. Bad days give experience. Worst days give lessons, and best days give memory. Believe in yourself and your dreams. If you don't, no one else will. Make sure you have a job before becoming someone's woman. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. A girl knows her limits. A wise girl knows she has none. Work until you no longer have to introduce yourself. Always be a first-rate version of yourself, instead of a second. In the future, there will be no female leaders. There will just be leaders. Beauty starts in your head, not in your mirror. Learn to be okay with people not knowing your side of the story. You have nothing to prove to anyone. Love yourself first, and everything else falls in line. You really have to love yourself to get anything done in this world. A strong woman knows she has strength enough for the journey, but a woman of strength knows it is in the journey where she will become strong. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. Sometimes, when you grow, you have to leave certain things behind. It's okay, you are making space for something new to bloom. Be yourself. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't be successful because you're a woman. No matter how long the winter, spring always follows. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Do what makes you happy. Be with who makes you smile. Laugh as much as you breathe. Love as long as you live. Behind every successful woman is herself. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of persistence and resilience. Just like a flower that needs time to blossom, trust in your growth and keep pushing forward towards your dream. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Never stop learning and growing. The more you know, the further you'll go. Figure out who are you separate from your family. Find who you are in this world and what you need to feel good alone. I think that's the most important thing in life. Find a sense of self. With that, you can do anything else. Wait until you're down with no strength to rise. You'll see who offers a hand. Not everyone wants to see you get up. Today, don't overthink it. Do not worry about the things you cannot control. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, focus on what can go right. Intelligent women apply makeup, not jealousy. Modern women earn money, not drama. Wise women preserve their beauty, not just their husband. Be so positive that negative people don't want to be around you. There is no limit to what we, as women, can accomplish. Self-confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. When you change your thoughts, remember to also change your world. A strong woman is a woman determined to do something others are determined not be done. You're a diamond, dear. They can't break you. Happiness and confidence are the prettiest things you can wear. Optimism isn't always about being happy. It's also about taking the dark days with the bright days, finding the good, and not letting the bad days keep you down. Just like a butterfly leaves its cocoon to soar, you too must let go of the past to welcome the beautiful transformation that awaits you. Embrace change, and you'll witness new possibilities blooming in your life. Do not wait for the perfect time and place to enter, for you are already on stage. A beautiful day starts with a beautiful mindset. I am learning every day to allow the space between where I am and where I want to be to inspire me and not terrify me.